This is the dress I want to alter into a romper slash playsuit. It's an H&M summer dress that I bought years ago and I only wore once, I think. But because I really like the cut of the dress, I wanted to keep it and turn it into something I would actually wear because I don't like wearing dresses. And since I already own a romper from H&M that has a very similar cut, I will use that one as reference. So first I'm going to turn the dress inside out and then fold it in half, lining up the two side seams of the skirt to find the exact middle. Then I'm pinning all 4 layers together so that nothing can move around. Next, I'm measuring 4 centimeters up from the bottom hem and marking that with chalk. I'm doing the same along the bottom hem, but only measuring 2 centimeters this time, and then I'm connecting the 2 markings. This will create a slightly curved line, which I'm then cutting along. After cutting, I'm turning the skirt so that the front and back panel lie flat on top of each other and are unfolded. Then I can line up the edges of the new cutout and pin them in place. I'm sewing along them with about 1 centimeter seam allowance. To make it easier to sew this weird shape, I'm first sewing a straight stitch until I'm about ½ centimeter past the corner. Then I lower the needle into the fabric so I can lift the foot and pivot the fabric without anything shifting out of place. Then I just sew another straight line until I reach the bottom hem, backstitching at the beginning and end of my straight stitch. For this next part, I'm using the romper I already had. The shorts are slightly shorter than the dress and also a bit more flared, but it helps to get an idea of how I need to adjust the new shorts. So I'm first marking where I need to take in a bit of fabric in the front, pinning along it, and then sewing with a straight stitch down the marked line. Then I tried the romper on to see if I needed to take in any more and how the shorts overall fit. As you can see, it doesn't fit too well yet, so I used my other romper for reference again, marking where the bottom hem needs to curve up towards the side seams. With the romper folded in half again, I pinned all 4 layers so that I can cut through all of them at once, making the cut symmetrical. Because the original skirt had a rolled hem, I'm going to create a new one. It is kind of challenging to do this, and it will be easier with a rolled hem sewing foot, but I don't have one. So instead I'm folding the hem up once by ½ centimeter and then folding that up ½ centimeter again, going around the pant leg and pinning as I go. This is how it looks pinned all the way around. Sew that in place with a straight stitch and then I'm done. Here's the before and after. I might also add pockets to this in the future, so leave a like if you want to see a tutorial on that, and subscribe so you don't miss when I upload it. And I'm definitely gonna have other videos like this coming up in the future because I have worked on a few similar projects and I still have ones that I want to do. So stay tuned for those.